Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.